Welcome back. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with this project. It's a nice small hand stitch type project. I do apologize for my little furry kitty here who just decided to plant herself right in my workspace. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open this up and see if I can sort of place things out, figure out if I need anything. Alright, so felt bird kit, project pattern, approximately 5 inches by 4 by 1. Okay, embroidery floss. Okay, separate the strands, that's normal. You need to knot the end 3 times. When using the floss, thread the needle and knot 3 times, okay? Applique, pin felt pieces, to hold them in place. And you see we got the needle right here. And let's see if I open this up. I love that it is pre-cut. Because that's the one thing that drives me crazy. And if we have templates for the embroidery. Let's see, if you're using the templates on page 6 or 7 for the embroidery design, place a piece of tissue paper on the template design and trace. Pin the tissue paper to the felt piece and sew through the paper. Okay. Carefully tear the paper away once the sewing is finished. Okay, I've never tried that technique before, but I probably will on here. Okay, so there are enough pieces in this kit to make 2 cream birds with red accents and 2 red birds with cream accents. We will refer to the felt colors as the main color or accent colors throughout the instructions. Okay. Alright, so get there. And yeah, they take a little bit of pull to get them out of their stuff here, and I think it kind of pulls a little bit, and then it has these little fuzzies. So I think I'm just going to trim those down just to keep it nice and flat. Okay, looks good. Okay. Hi, Tiggy. Alright. Oops, careful. Alright, so I'm going to put those together. Yep, and they're nice and even. That works good. And what are you? Jesus, don't rely on the needle. Really? Hi. You goofball. There. Okay. I need my directions. Thank you. You goofball cat. Okay. Alright, gather the smallest main color wing shape and the decorative wing shapes in the accent color. There are 2 sets of decorative shapes to choose from. It's okay, baby. There we go. I think I'm going to use my new pins. Ouch. Okay, that's because I don't know where my old pins are. Way over here. I got the heat fan going off over my head here, so these little tiny pieces are just getting a little bit blown around. Okay, And I gotta look at the cream side again, because it looks like I should be getting 3 more of those end pieces for the tail. And okay, a little trim. Okay, so I have the red birds all pinned. So this is what it looks like. I did use the extra pins because I realized that there is actually layers on the wings. So you have the main red body, and then a white wing overlaid with another red wing, and then the details, accents on the outside. So it took a little bit more pinning, but that is what it looks like right now. So I am going to pin the rest of them. I'll probably pin at least one of the white bodied birds and show you that, and that'll probably end this video until I get it embroidered. Alright, so I'm gonna go now and get the white birds pinned, and I'll be right back from that. And after that, I'll probably do the embroidery on my own, and then maybe in another day or so I'll do a short video on how that's going. Okay. Okay, so aside from the little kitty cat, oop, she's cutting down. All right, so here, oops, here is the white bird pinned. So got both sides done. So what I am going to do now, because I don't have time to do the embroidery right away, I am going to load, put it over there, load up my new tote. So I'm going to put the birds, and I'm just going to put them in lightly because they are pinned. And once I close this, it's going to, I need my pins, and I think, let's see, we got the embroidery, the floss. I'm going to put the needle in for that in here, and put the scissors over here. And this is just so I can take it upstairs and work on it, you know, at night, watching TV or something like that. This is what's left. And it looks like they gave you 2 designs for the outside of the birds. There was also this heart design that is actually, in the picture, it's on the white bird. That didn't occur to me quite right away, so I'm just doing the flower design on both of them. Or actually, no, because there's another set. That's right, there is enough for everything. So I'll do the heart design on the other sets. Okay, so everything looks like it's pretty much ready. I gotta pin the other set, but that's all right. I can do that later. But this just shows you how I got everything ready. And hopefully by the end of the weekend, I'll have this whole set of birds done. And my first project ready for the fair. Which, actually, I was hoping that would, I would actually have 3 or 4 projects done already for it, but not quite. So, if you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.